Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add audio in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on search bar type in canva.com. Now it will lead you to a home page of the Canva website. Now on the top right corner you can see create a design option. Click on it and create a new blank design. Here I am choosing video. After that you can see different options on the left side. Click on the upload and here click on audio and click on the upload files option. Now here choose the desired audio that you want to upload. Now click on open. After the upload is completed, you can simply drag this audio into the screen. And here you can see that your audio has been added. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.